A cylinder radius is 120 mm, rolls down in slope of 0.025. Find the coefficient of rolling resistance A of the cylinder. Okay, radius of the cylinder is 120 mm. So slope is 0.025. Find the coefficient of rolling resistance. So relationship between rolling resistance force Fr and the normal force N, the cylinder of radius R. Okay, this is the relationship of rolling resistance force and normal reactions. Okay, so Fr equal to A by R into N is the relationship. Okay, Fr is equal to A by R into N. So A is the coefficient of rolling resistance, R is the radius of cylinder. Okay, so component down force is equal to maximum resistance force. Okay, so அதான் வந்து Fr. Okay, equal to A by R into N. So mg, okay, down force அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து mg sin theta. Down force, component down force, okay, is the down force is mg sin theta. Okay, this is the opposite side, mg sin theta. Adjacent side is mg cos theta. Okay, so mg sin theta and cos theta. So frictional force Fr is a frictional force Fr. So F equal to F is, okay, Fr equal to mg sin theta. Okay, here Fr equal to mg sin theta, A by R, N equal to opposite side. Okay, mg cos theta, normal reaction R, N equal to mg sin theta. So A by R into mg cos theta. Okay, so mg cancel. Okay, A equal to R sin theta by cos theta, A equal to R into tan theta. So A equal to radius of the cylinder is 120, tan theta is the slope. Okay, tan theta is slope, slope is 0.025. So 120 into 0.025 is equal to A equal to R. So coefficient of rolling resistance is A equal to 3. The coefficient of rolling resistance A equal to 3. Thank you.